Hi, I'm Rachel Risen with ID8 TV. I'm here with Vistro, Nature's Cuisine, and this is Monica. She is one of the creators, and she's just going to tell me a little bit about the product.
Hi, Rachel.
Hello.
So Vistro was created because we felt like we would get home at the end of the day and you're just exhausted and you're starving, and that's the time when you're most likely to make bad choices when it comes to food. So we thought there's got to be a way where we can make frozen, delicious, organic, non-GMO meals that are not chock full of preservatives. So that's what we did.
I love it because I'm always late night snacking.
Yes, it actually happens to a lot of people. You know, I have 3 kids, so by the time I get home, I'm just exhausted. If I can make any food for them, like my husband and I end up usually eating cereal, except now we have Vistro in the freezer, and then we have delicious, healthy meals just ready to be warmed up.
That's wonderful. So can you tell me, how do people get Vistro?
So you can go on our website, vistro.com, and there's 3 ways to order. You can just order a la carte, so you pick and choose whatever you want. You can order an already set meal pack, and we have a bunch of those. Or you can do something that we call a build your own. So you get to pick 30 items, whatever you want, and then you get it all shipped at once. So the idea is that they're all in your freezer, and when you get home, you don't have to worry about, oh my God, I didn't go to the market today. There's no food to eat.
So it takes away the whole stress of shopping and cooking when you've had a long day.
Exactly. It also takes away the stress of having to clean up.
Which I personally love.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you so much for talking to us, Monica. Well, where can we tell people to look this up online?
www.vistro.com. We're only online, so find us there, and we look forward to serving you.
I love it. Thank you so much. This is Rachel with ID8 TV.